Let them know you're coming on land or sea with the Recoil R-4 Marine and Powersports 200-watt speaker system. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and what do we have here? There's our pair of 4-inch speakers, and the first thing we're noticing is the weight of them. Surely a sign of the heavy-duty, robust construction you'd expect from a product like this. It also comes with a bag of clips and connectors, but more on that later. Taking a closer look at the speakers themselves, and the injection mold cases look like they're pretty good quality. Likewise with the stainless steel grills at the front. There's none of the sharp edges or burrs you'd expect to see with something cheaply made. The clips allow for angled adjustments so you can change the angle of the sound and set the wave interaction point and focus to suit the vehicle, which is a good thing. The system itself is a quick mount, so all you need to do is turn the handle until it's tight and then move it upwards to tension in place. Advertised power is at 200 watts peak and 100 watts RMS, providing plenty of power to the 4-inch speaker that features a 3-inch passive radiator for bass response, a 1-inch voice coil, and a 1-inch PEI dome neomagnetic tweeter. Okay, so as it turns out, we were looking for a set of outdoor speakers to mount to our custom Jeep setup, and as you can see, there's no shortage of tubular steel to use as mounting points. The fasteners are designed to suit bar diameters from 1.5 to 2 inches. So give your bar a quick measure and select the correct fitting. First up, we're going to attach the fasteners to the speakers themselves. Then fit around the bar, spin the handle round, and push upwards to lock in place. And because our Jeep loves to go off the beaten path, we're going to use a 13mm wrench here to give it a final quarter turn, so that when we catch huge air, everything stays in place. From there, we swing the speakers around to face us, like so. Then connect the wiring to the head unit. Super easy, really. So what do we like about the Recoil R-4 Marine and Powersports 200-watt speaker system? These speakers are redonkulously easy to install, and they've totally pimped out our already bawling Jeep. To top it off, the sound quality is better than we expected, considering the price point. It's kind of a shame we have to give these away, because we've really grown attached to them. So, what don't we like? We're really trying to find something to say here, but for the price point, these speakers are awesome. That's it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Recoil R-4 Marine and Powersports 200-watt speaker system? Great price, easy install, made well, very loud, and produced great highs and lows. We're giving these speakers a 9 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on a pair of these speakers? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick up a pair for $89.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.